When I was looking for fellowships, I was a little bit undecided in terms of where my path would be in hematology oncology, and so I was really looking for a fellowship that was a good mix of clinical and research. I knew I needed a strong foundation in clinical hemonc, and then I also knew I wanted research opportunities and research experiences, and Sinai for me was just that perfect mix of both of those things.
The Tisch Cancer Institute is Mount Sinai's NCI designated cancer center and has a mission to prevent and treat cancer in our community while conducting the highest quality research to improve outcomes for the patients we serve. The Division of Hematology and Medical Oncology is a key component of TCI and one of the largest divisions in the Department of Medicine at Mount Sinai.
This is a fellowship that wants us to be better doctors, but also wants us to figure out what our passions are in hemonc. And for some of us, it's bench research, others of us, it's quality research, some of us, it's clinical trials. But I think there's something about hemonc that brought us all to the field, and this fellowship is about figuring that out and figuring out how we can ultimately reach these career goals that we all have.
Our faculty are dedicated to recruiting and training hematology oncology fellows who will be highly respected and productive researchers, clinicians, and program leaders. Our faculty are experts in particular diseases such as head and neck, thoracic, breast, and gastrointestinal medical oncology, benign and malignant hematology.
I started first year not really knowing where I would end up in the field, and I was open to meeting with different faculty in the department, seeing the different opportunities out there, and I eventually got involved in thoracic research. And at the end of my first year with my mentor in clinic, I helped write a protocol for a clinical trial in lung cancer.
Our clinicians, staff, and trainees are committed to optimizing the care of patients with cancer and blood diseases, and are uniquely poised to emphasize the strengths of a top medical school and one of the largest academic medical centers in the U.S.
I was able to take that protocol to the Vail Clinical Trial Workshop, which was a really awesome experience for me to really meet amazing mentors around the country who are leaders in clinical trial development.
The first 18 months of training provides fellows with a rich clinical experience in all disease areas, while the second half is dedicated to mentored research and career development.
We study a group of blood disorders called myeloproliferative neoplasms and acute leukemias as well. And we've developed a number of clinical trials to help improve the life and the mortality of these cancers.
During your fellowship, you will be training at two main sites, Mount Sinai Hospital and Mount Sinai West. The inpatient and outpatient hematology and oncology experiences at Mount Sinai West are a key component of our fellowship. We provide our fellows with progressive autonomy in patient care and team leading across an exceptionally diverse patient population. From your experiences at Mount Sinai West, you will master the evaluation and management of newly suspected cancer diagnoses, benign hematology problems, and oncologic emergencies.
What I love most about this fellowship is how supportive it is, from our leadership to our faculty to my co-fellows.
My mentors not only help me with succeeding, but really bolster me and make it so that I'm a star in my own right within this field.
Above all, I am inspired by our fellows' kindness, empathy, and teamwork in caring for our patients and by their dedication to bringing new advances to hematology oncology.
Cancer in general can be hard, and especially when I'm in clinic for lung cancer, can be particularly hard. I think we make it a priority to make sure that we take care of each other.
This environment really nurtures the fellows to become the best physician, the best oncologist, the best researcher that the fellow can be.
Congratulations on choosing to become a hematologist-oncologist. The Mount Sinai Fellowship Program will make sure that you are a superb one.